Right, we are here and we want to find the products of these matrices here, and we proceed as follows. For instance, in the first part, we need to find the product of these two matrices, this row vector and this column vector. Okay, so what do we do here? We begin as follows. So this product equals, right? Now, if you multiply, now one thing that is very important is to note the size of this matrix because it has one row and it has a total of 3 columns. 1, 2, 3 columns, but one row. This one has 1, 2, 3 rows by one column. As a result, this is 1 by 1. So we are expecting a result that is a 1 by 1 matrix. And now we multiply this row by this column, so it's minus 2 times 1 plus 3 times 2 plus minus 1 times 3, like so. And if you look at these very carefully and you simplify everything, what do we get here? So this is exactly minus 2 plus 6 minus 3. And the result is what? It's exactly 1. It's exactly the number 1. So as a consequence, we are sure that if you multiply this row vector by this column vector, you get the matrix that consists of the number 1 and it's a 1 by 1 matrix. Next, we proceed to multiply these matrices here. Right, so here we multiply this matrix size, the matrix sizes. You can see this one is 1, 2, 3 rows by one column, and this one has one row by 3 columns. And as a consequence, we are getting a product here, and the product is 3 by 3. And therefore, we multiply this row by this column. So 1 times minus 2 is minus 2. 1 times 3 is exactly 3. 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. And then here, we multiply this row by each of these columns. So it's 2 times minus 2, which is exactly minus 4. 2 times 3 becomes 6. 2 by minus 1 is minus 2. 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times minus 1 is actually minus 3. And therefore, we have computed the products of the vectors here, and we got the results. So we can see this one is a 3 by 3 matrix, and this one is certainly a 1 by 1 matrix. And so by this, we are referring to the size of the matrix. So if we're looking for the size of the matrix, it's actually obviously stated 3 by 3, or you can call it the order of the matrix. So the order of the matrix is 1 by 1. This one is 3 by 3. So thanks everybody for your time, and goodbye to you.